Ever felt like you're handing your hard-earned cash to a digital black box? You click send, and poof. It's gone, supposedly on its way to wherever you intended. But what if that black box, that intermediary, isn't as secure as you think? What if it's Spaceship, the investment platform that's been making waves? Is Spaceship truly a trusted vessel for your financial journey, or are you just launching your money into the unknown? Let's be real, the world of online investing can feel like a high-stakes gamble. You're bombarded with promises of growth, sleek interfaces, and the allure of effortless wealth. But beneath the surface, the question lingers, can you actually trust these platforms? And with Spaceship, that question seems to be echoing louder. Spaceship has positioned itself as a user-friendly gateway to investment, particularly for younger generations. They've built a brand around simplicity and accessibility, making it seem like anyone can dive into the stock market with just a few taps. But ease of use doesn't automatically equate to trustworthiness. First, let's address the elephant in the room, regulation. In Australia, where Spaceship operates, they are regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. This is a good start, providing a baseline level of oversight. But regulation is just one piece of the puzzle. It ensures they're playing by certain rules, but it doesn't guarantee the platform's invulnerability. One of the key aspects of trust is transparency. How open is Spaceship about their investment strategies, their fees, and their overall performance? While they do provide information on their funds and holdings, the devil is often in the details. Digging deeper into their fee structures and the specific companies they invest in can reveal a more nuanced picture. Then there's the question of security. How well does Spaceship protect your personal and financial data? In an age of rampant cybercrime, this is a critical concern. They employ security measures, as any financial platform should, but the effectiveness of these measures is constantly being tested. It's crucial to understand the extent to which your data is encrypted and protected from potential breaches. Another aspect of trust is the platform's track record. Have they consistently delivered on their promises? Have there been any major controversies or scandals associated with the company? While past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, it can provide valuable insights into a company's reliability. Furthermore, consider the user experience. Are there clear lines of communication with customer support? Are your questions answered promptly and thoroughly? A responsive and helpful customer service team can go a long way in building trust. And let's not forget the community aspect. What are other users saying about their experiences with Spaceship? Online reviews and forums can offer valuable perspectives, but it's important to take them with a grain of salt. Remember, everyone's experience is different. In the end, determining whether Spaceship is trusted is a personal decision. It depends on your own risk tolerance, your investment goals, and your comfort level with online platforms. Do your own research. Don't just take their marketing at face value. Scrutinize the details, compare them to other platforms, and make an informed choice. Ultimately, remember that no investment is without risk. And even the most trusted platforms can experience unexpected events. Diversification, understanding the fees, and knowing your own risk tolerance are vital. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.